back to school washout now is the natural bitters. Like we have the bitter wood and we have the mojo bitter and we have the cerci and we have the aloe vera. Yeah, that is the bitters for the body, a cleanse, you know. It's a long time bitters are in up when we are a little boy go to school where the grandmother used to give it for cleanse and we okay and everything.
Children, enjoy your holidays all together. Two little birdies sitting on the wall.
The buying of school books and the making of uniforms are not the only back-to-school traditions practiced in Jamaican households. In what is now regarded as old-time Jamaica, it was customary for young children to endure the dreaded washout, a traditional Jamaican way of detoxing and cleansing the blood using bitter herbs that, to a child, was the worst taste ever and the worst procedure to endure.
Back to school washout when I'm small, yeah, my grandmother used to give me it, but it was bitter, but I still have to work with it, you know, because I never liked it, but it helped me. When I drink it, it helped me because it's good for the body and it makes me feel good. When I was small and go to school, yeah, my grandmother gave me that, so, you know, that is the right thing to cleanse the bloodstream.
But it was bitter, but you never liked it.
But I never liked it, but it's helped me. Because you don't know it's a bitter, it's a cleansing thing.
So she used to have to force you to take it?
Yeah, force you to take it and I take it. And it helped me because I was small, go to school and you know, I never know say it would help me. But my grandmother forced it on me and I drink it and it helped me. So that is a good bitters for the body, to cleanse, you know.
When I was a child and you have mango season coming in, so your parents end up give you a washout. They might buy worm bush beer or they buy Tyrox.
A washout, despite protestations from children, was seen compulsory as young children, having spent an idle summer consuming copious amounts of fruits, cheese tricks, sweeties, soft drinks, and other sugary drinks, parents and guardians felt that they now needed to administer a laxative to rid the colon of any impurities or infestation.
When my mother would give me the herb, I boil the water and put the herb in it and it stay there and draw. But it's bitter. So when I drink it, the bitterness. So the herb start work your belly, work your whole your belly, and then you go to the bathroom, you pass out all type of things, all worm you pass out and so.
So after that, now what do you do? So you're ready for school?
Yeah, you're ready for school or for mango season. Yeah, alright, then so you can go eat mango. Otherwise, if you don't take the washout, you can't eat no mango and you're ready to go to school.
You can't eat the mango, why?
Because them say when you eat a lot of mango and you know worm out your body, your belly hurt you and all type of something. So mother always give me washout before when the mango season just come in. Mother give me herb or Tyrox and something.
It was thought that with all the idle time the children had on their hands, they would have not only indulged in eating a lot of potentially harmful things, but would have also engaged in activities which would cause them to contract worms, activities such as playing barefooted in the mud, the rain, the river, or eating with unwashed hands, hence the need for this kind of intervention.
My grandmother forced me with the bitters and I take it. I never like it, but I take it and she forced me with it and forced me and I resist. Sometimes I resist, so I don't want to drink it, but I have to drink it. She forced me and I drink it.
How she force you?
Force me like to throw it on my mouth, put it at my mouth, and I drink it. Sometimes I move away my mouth and then force me and I still drink it because, you know, yeah, because she want me to drink it, so I have to drink it.
If you never drink the bitters, what would she do?
If I wouldn't drink the bitters, she would lick me and beat me too, because I want me to drink it, so he forcing me to drink it. So he lick me and say, oh, drink it up, man, it's good for you.
So the other people in your community, the children used to get it as well? Used to get it from their parents?
Yeah, as well, because I heard, yeah, as well. Other parents them give them children said we, going to school said we, and it helped them. So that's why them grow up natural and clean, you know, and them don't have to take no certain thing like no medication and yeah, so because the bitters help them, and you know.
So you think that helped to make you become, so your grandmother was like a herbalist, what was
herb him deal with said way, your grandmother, and teach you about herbs. That's why I know herbs, you know. Yeah, so we just get to do it, and you know, we just start get into it.
Your mother said, okay, today I'll give you some herb. You have to take the herb. Otherwise, you can't run when either. You can't sleep in the house. You have to take it or you'll get beaten. So it make no sense to run, you still have to take it. Even though you know it's bitter. Sometimes even my sister would say, alright, if you drink cream, nobody hide, but you still have to drink it. Some of them hide and throw it away, but you still have to drink it because the bitterness helps the body, purge your body, purge your blood and them something. You know nowadays, all these children, they don't really like washout. They just like sweets. And they drink beer sweets and take no washout, so they find these people diabetic. That's why I notice old time people used to live long. Because they purge their body at certain times. So their body keep fit. Up to the type of work when they do, so they can live 100 years. And when people take no washout with bush and nothing. If they want to wash out, a doctor have to give them something. Them now take no washout and the herbs, then they in the bush. So they cure your body and all those things.
So you see the young children nowadays must take herbs?
Yeah,
the parents must give them herbs when they're back to school time?
Yeah, give them herbs and wash out them and then something where they can cleanse them blood. Most of the parents, they have no business with no herb and something. They only tell them go to a doctor to get that, okay, so they're healthy. A doctor might say, okay, healthy. And I get nothing more. So back to school time, the parents must make sure and give them children herb and wash them out, because most of the time, them eat mango, green mango, all type of something in the drink, no wash out. So they end up feeling them grow and get diabetic. But it's good to know that we have the herb here, even though some of my people don't understand it, so the herb, the healing of the nation, they out there, and a really pill. When you see the garden of Eden, no pill never night or injection, a herb. So you can find the herb that can cure your body and make sure it cleanse the blood and all those things.
I do some studying by the Back to Eden book, and I know the herbs them. Because the herbs them I never know them, so I get the Back to Eden book and I read it and I know all the herbs them to cleanse the body, and you know, that's why I deal with the roots. That's why I come to the roots now to help the people them and get together the herbs them, because the Back to Eden book now show me all the herbs them by the names. So I know them and I get to boil them and get them together, all bush together and deal with them and deal with the roots. So I come to get to deal with the roots, you know, and I get the vision by the Most High to deal with it, so I just work.